Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play some, what should we play today? So let's play, this is just one of my friend's account. You know, like this. Don't look at that. No. Do not look at that, please. Okay. Now you can look. Now you can look. Now you can look, guys. Already is pretty fun, but I really want to play a bit. Let's just put some. If you play this game. Oh, sorry, that was my hoverboard. Let's do this. What's wrong? What are you doing? This is this. You don't. What is it? See, one of my videos. What is this? Watch this video, and that one. Watch these two, please. Subscribe to him, because Master Go plays in English Kung Fu Bear. Go and subscribe, bro. Oh my gosh, guys, this is. Oh, Bubbles dead. Where am I? I am in the core. Help. Okay. I died.
Collision danger is over 70%. Please stay away from the front of the ship.
I made a black hole. 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 Oh gosh, I want to stay away from me. Just getting in real quick. I'm not bad. Where's it? Sweet enough shoutouts today. Beep. Wait, no. No, let's say no to that. Whoa. AFK guys, AFK. AFK guys, I'll be back. One second guys, I will be back. Wait, I need my hand.
I have crippling depression.
One sec, I'm cutting the clip for a little bit. I'm back guys. Okay, I'm back. Wait, doesn't that lettuce look like grass?
Gross! All those worms on my food.
Ew. How am I throwing up if I'm in a hazmat suit? I'll just end the video here. Bye guys!